Look at that Gyro.
Howdy, y'all. I'm at Papa Chris's place, which I think is in Niles, but the receipt says Chicago. I don't know where the heck I am, except I'm across from the Leaning Tower of Pisa. So if you're in the Chicago area, you probably know what and where this is. I don't. Know what I do know? Good food. And I look for these hole-in-the-wall places, and Papa Chris's is a hole-in-the-wall Greek place. The burgers sounded good. People like their burgers, but they're Greek, and I had to go with the Gyro. I don't know if I can pick it up. That's what I'm attempting to do. They double wrapped it with care and double foil. And just look at that monstrosity. Look at that. Look at it. Looks like all fresh veggies. Man, I made a mess with that one. I'm not sure about the tzatziki sauce. It's a little, I don't know, but that's real meat, and I believe this is lamb and the beefy stuff they use to make pita. There's, as you can see, there's a couple different, or maybe that's just where I'm sitting. Oh, no. Here. Maybe. We'll see. I don't know if I can eat this by hand. I'm gonna try. Real meat, real pita, real tomato. Yeah, the tzatziki sauce is just a little something. So it could be 5-star, but I don't know, it's bland, or maybe it's just bland. Whatever you need to put in tzatziki sauce to make it unbanded. Otherwise, it's delicious. Next time I'll try a cheeseburger. So, it's a thumbs up. It's not a 5-star. It's a 4-star. Friendly people, cool place. Give it a shot if you're across from the Tower of Pisa. So, that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye! Yeah, yummy. Yummy.